Kane temuafo panyi ma mesofaya kufu wodense bahodo atudwa ne nyina yedwumade sonko ana ekoso ehwe ma amadwoko ahodo omode wo agyenkyere aba ama ohun se agyebia no oman Ghana mamra na yedibu oman no braso sense akyere bi ewo mu ana ne ho ana ma mesofaya kufu edense mutudwa kyere se mamra no fa bi ho no mo ana mfinsi aduasani dwumade potenti a wo mode kyekere ye do atwam tide wo se wo yensa kyere wo mu eyeye ne wonhwe na wonsesa.
Kani Chief Justice Sophia Akufu Kasee ewo IEA Constitutional Review Seminar Edema Party ahodo ewo mamu ha no eho ona odi tu dwa se eho behia se Ghana Constitution no womo ebeye mu insachiremu wo kiremu se Constitutional Review Commission akane mampeni atamusa wanya ne bebi ekọ no womo etiye no akame ye se omanfo ema womo eni enko so
mistaken and yet at the same time we all know that though we have for some of us we think we have a very good constitutions are not cast in stone. No human body of rules is cast in stone, and they need to be looked at regular times, and when what you have done and what you had been doing under some of the provisions are no longer working for the nation, then we need to look again.
Kane National Chairman Edema New Patriotic Party MPP Peter McMenu enso editudwa se obiwu ewo amanyoko bi mu ewo mamu ha ewo nkohia se amanyoko aka no ebeto aba na womu eyi obi se wonko mranhye bedwem.
We are saying that when a person dies, or for whatever reasons, resignation, the party that brought him into parliament during the general election must be given the opportunity, like the United States does, to replace him, so that the acrimony, the costs, etc., associated with by-elections will be a thing of the past.
National Communications Officer Edema National Democratic Congress NDC Sami Jemfi Kasee for Constitution isese wo musanhwe mu.
The National Democratic Congress believes that the 1992 Constitution has served this nation very well. But after operating this Constitution for well over 3 decades, we share in the call for the Constitution to be amended.
General Secretary Edema Conventions People Party CPP Nana ya a campaign Jantua enso edin simsi na tudwa.
Article 62 on the provisions of one who is qualified to be the president should include a psychiatric evaluation. A psychiatric evaluation to ascertain the mental state of the person who wants to be president of the nation. In fact, all flag bearers who are potential presidents should go through the process to ascertain their mental state and faculty.